Hey guys, how y'all doing? I am heading to Kroger. Alright, I gotta go to Kroger and I gotta go to Aldi. I'm just grabbing a few things. It is colder out here than a booger bear. Woo! It's so cold. And so I just gotta grab a few things. That's it for me. I'm just getting a few things because I really just don't feel like going grocery shopping. Y'all ever feel like, yes, I don't feel like it. I just don't feel like it. So I'm going to go and run in and just grab, hubby's going to boil some chicken. Boiled chicken is good for you. Yes. I'm going to do boiled chicken today and maybe some green beans. I don't know. I got some cabbage left over, so I'll probably add some cabbage and green beans with mine. And maybe a baked potato. I don't know. So we'll see. So that's quickly, because you all know I'm trying to eat healthy. You know, I'm on this journey. I had to let them Pepsis go. I just couldn't do it. I just couldn't do the Pepsis. So I'm going to go to do that, and I want to run in and get something from Dollar Tree very quickly. I hope they'll have it, because I don't feel like driving all around the country and land just for this one thing. I went to Dollar Tree last night and I picked it up. I picked up one, and then on the way home I thought, you know what, I could do. Yep, that's what I did. I was like, I could do this and I could do this. You know, I should have bought two of them, and I only bought one. So yeah, I'm going to try to get one more of that thing, and you'll see. I don't know, I'm not feeling very crafty this year. But I want to do something for hubby for Valentine's Day, and I'll show you what that spread, that table is probably gonna look like. Look like a, I don't know if I can do a table for two. We'll see, because I don't want to do too much. But my leaf comes out, of course, and I can do a table for four. But I might just do a two table this time, because hubby's been getting on to me about he likes to eat at the table, and when I do my tablescapes, because I just have the one eat-in kitchen in this house, I don't have a full dining room in this house. Okay, because we downsized, we're empty nesters, but I'm trying to upsize, Lord Jesus, because I'm that's another subject. How many of you downsized and like 4 or 5 years later, 3 years later, you upsize into a bigger house, back to the same house you already had? Yeah, my life. So that's what's going on today. I gotta go to Kroger, make a quick Aldi run, and I think that's it. I don't think I have to do Sprouts or anything else. I do feel like I need to get more stuff, because it's so cold, and when it's so cold like this, and they've been announcing storms and all that stuff and snow, people just they rake the shelves, you know, like they empty them. But and I do have some coupons that I could use, but I think I'm going to resist the urge. I don't know, I think I'm going to resist the urge, and we'll just see, because I'm going to grab these quick things and get out of the store and get back home, because I got a video that I want to take for you guys. Yay, I want to take for you guys. And so I want to do and this video probably will be up after the video I'm going to tape today, because the video I'm going to tape today is probably going to go up today, the video I'm talking about, and that's my closet. So doing a little thrifting and getting ready with my closet. So if you haven't seen that video, go out and see it, because it'll be out by the time this grocery haul video is up. All right, okay, so I'm excited. What are y'all doing? It's Saturday. What are y'all doing today? I put my makeup on. Look, makeup game, and I got my hair up, and I proceed. My hair is not all bulging through the hat, because I put it on a protective style today. I'm gonna have to show y'all this style, but I put it up in a bun because it's raining and it's supposed to be snow and wet, and I just Although my hair loves water, it loves to be wet. My hair loves to be wet. Ooh, my hair loves to be wet like babies. My babies were when they were my hair reminds me of my babies when they were little, because they loved to take a shower. And so that's how much my babies love to be my hair loves to be wet. So my babies love to take a bath. I'm sorry I said shower, but they love to take a bath when they were little, and my hair is like that. But it's too cold right now for my hair to be wet, so she ain't trying to get no wet hair and no cold today. But look, and y'all will probably see this video too of this hair. And so yep, I just did a protective style, but honey, I think I look cute. Yes. This look needs eyelashes, but I just put a little mascara up there, so I didn't feel like eyelashes today. But look at that, my bun up on top of my head, and then it doesn't have to get wet, and then I can do a protective style. Yes, I ain't gotta wear no wig, I ain't gotta do nothing, just, you know, because I like wearing my own hair, you know, each its own. So don't come for me in the comments about no wig now. All right, y'all know I love you. Stay tuned. Grocery haul is coming. We're trying to eat healthy. So I'll show you what I'm getting today, what I'm going to grab on a run. That I'm showing you guys today what I grab when I need to go in the store and run and get something really quickly. So that's what this video is about today. You want to see what I got? Stay tuned. But it is snowing in Tennessee. Oh my gosh. It didn't look like it's sticking though, but it's a lot of it. It's been raining all day. And hubby had said if it, was announcing snow, the weather was saying snow. So we knew that if they did snow with all that rain that was coming down, it was going to be bad. It was going to be a lot of it. And it is. It's a lot of it. I don't know if you can see it though. But yeah, it's a lot of it. But sticking on but it's not sticking. It's melting. It's wet. So, but temps change. It's just in the 40s. But temps change around here so quickly. So yeah, it could stick. Anyway, I just want to show y'all that snow. I need to go to Kroger. And then once I go to Kroger, I can be done. I can get off these roads because Memphis people don't know how to drive in the snow. Lord, they don't know how to drive on the snow, on the wet. They don't know how to drive when it's raining. They barely can drive when it's sunny. And then people from Arkansas and Mississippi be coming up here driving too. Shout out to y'all if y'all from Mississippi and Arkansas, but I'm talking about you bad. Love y'all. Hugs and kisses. Anybody else in your city? People can't drive, especially you in the South and you don't normally get snow. Y'all let me know because I know the struggle is real. Snow, but oh my gosh, it's coming down hard and it's hard. so let's get into this haul. First thing is Kroger. I tied these like this because it was raining. Oh, it was snowing and ice, and I was trying to not get wet. So, alright. So I got these. I always get these, as you know. I had a coupon, whatever they're called, the printables that print out at the end based on, they do the printables like this based on what you buy on a regular basis. So they do this at Kroger, and they do it at CVS. You know, you get coupons based on what you buy. So it was on the wings, but the lady just went ahead and gave it to me anyway. I thought it was on all the antibiotic products, non-antibiotic products, but Kroger, but it's not. So it was only on the wings. But she went ahead and honored the coupon anyway. So I got $2 off of 2 bags. Okay. So I'm sorry, I got $3 off of 2 bags. That's what I got. Okay, so that's that. Got some onions, which is the whole point of going to the store. Hubby wanted to cook boil some chicken, and so he always likes to put onions in boiled chicken. You know, boiled chicken is a really good healthy meal. We're trying to be healthy, so that's what that is. And Aldi had onions too, but they didn't look great, so that's why I got them from Kroger. Aldi had just 2 colors. I think it was the red and the orange. I can't remember. So this was $4.49. I think Aldi was $3.29 or $2.99 just for 2. So I got this from Kroger. And you know, I prep these, chop these up, put them in salads and all kinds of other stuff. These were, it said 89 cents a pound. So I ended up getting, I think it was a little over 3 pounds, but it ended up being $1.89. So for sweet potatoes, hubby's likes sweet potatoes. He likes to put sugar in them. Not healthy, right? But anyway, still good. So love those. Let's see. Oh, this is my Dollar Tree. I'm doing something for, let's see, it's coming up for Valentine's Day. So this is what this is, but I'm not going to do the haul in this one. Just stay tuned for my Dollar Tree haul. It'll be coming up. All right. I got to Aldi at the right time because they were sort of restocking. So that meant what? It meant I got to get boxes and use their boxes because I had taken all of my bags out of the car. And I had some empty Walmart bags, but I hate to walk up in there with Walmart bags. This is trifling, right? Let's get it. So I got this lettuce because I'm trying to eat healthy. And so the more lettuce, the better. The more lettuce you have on hand, the less you're likely, if you're really hungry, you can just grab a salad and good. You know these, I like live lettuce because if they're live, they last longer, and they're just healthier to me. So I got these, and very good. I think they're $1.29 even, and I think this is like $1.99. So yeah. All right, got these limes. So that was pretty good because we like limes and like to do onions, like to make our own salad dressing. And I like to put lime in tea. I like to put lime in all kinds of stuff, spread it on everything. So I always like to get limes. Then I grabbed some feta because hubby wants a salad, and I thought I would put some, he likes feta on his salad, so that's what I'm going to do. I could grab olives. That's the one thing I forgot, to do a Greek salad. Really great. And feta is goat milk, so I can have this because it's not dairy. I'm trying a different orientation on how I do this. I put the camera a different way, so we'll see if it works. If it doesn't, we'll go back to the other way. More Aldi. Got these tomatoes. I love these tomatoes. They're the Roma tomatoes, so they really are good and they last a long time. I like to get them from Aldi. I've gotten them from Kroger before, and the last ones I got from Kroger really weren't good, so these are good. I got 2 bags of those, okay? And I love tomatoes on green beans, on vegetables, on top of vegetables, and in salad, so these come in handy. Got lemons. Get limes, gotta have lemons. So I got that. I ended up getting 2 bags. I only meant to get 1. That's what happened. That's why my price was a little expensive. I couldn't figure it out. But you'll see the clip. I'll show it. Now, the lady recommended the Myers lemons. So I'll insert that clip now. I know, all these shoppers are the best, aren't they? They're so friendly and so nice. Even after I left doing that, I ran into another Aldi shopper, and she was telling me that I needed to get some of the pots and pans that they had for Aldi. And so I am going to have to go back and get them. They only had them in purple though, and I wanted a different color. So then I got the regular because I had already had these in my basket, and the lady recommended the Myers. But since I got the 2, and it was an accident, what I'll do is I'll do a taste variation and just see which one I like better, to see which really works. I got the green pepper, bell pepper. I always have to get green bell pepper. This was really inexpensive for 3. I want to say it was 99 cents for 3, which I can add those to the peppers that I got from, Kroger. So I'll have all of the colors of the rainbow, and that will be good. Okay. Let's see. I got grapefruit from Aldi. I usually get grapefruit from Kroger, but they're 2 for $1, and they're much bigger. This was, I want to say, $3.99, so it ended up being about this much. So it ended up being 4, so for 8, so it's about the same price I would pay at Kroger. But I went ahead and got these because I just wanted to see how they were. The last couple of ones I got at Kroger were not good, and so yeah, I just wanted to try these. Let's see. Last couple of things. I got 2 of the cucumbers. These are the best cucumbers in the world. If you saw my last Aldi haul, I'll link it below. But I did a haul, and I saw another shopper that was actually a viewer of mine. So if you're watching, hey, and she suggested that I get this. So that's what I did. I grabbed these, and they are really good. And then the last thing I grabbed were these dates. Okay. And I did not mean to get these. People were talking to me in the store. Another thing, I put it in my basket, and I was just gonna look at them to see how they were. But I love figs. I grew up on figs. My grandfather had a fig tree in his backyard, and so we always had figs in the summertime growing up in Mississippi, in Clarksdale, Mississippi. Woohoo! If you're in Clarksdale, anywhere in Mississippi, shout out to you. But anyway, so I ended up was gonna look at these. I think they were a little $4, and so I ended up getting them because I forgot to put them in take them out of my basket, and so that happens. All right, guys. Be sure to comment on any mistakes you made this week. You saw the 2 mistakes I made. Grabbing these 2 things that I really didn't intend to get. I didn't intend to get 2 lemons. I only intended to get 1. And then I got this by accident. I was just looking at it. Ended up buying it anyway. But it turned out good, and it's going to be healthy. A good snack. So sometimes you get things by accident, and it really does turn out to be okay. So, and update. Somebody asked me, got a couple of questions on the cauliflower tater tots that I bought last time, and no, they weren't good. So if you tried them and you like them, let me know. To like, comment, and subscribe, and go ahead and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I put out a new video. And subscribe. I know you want to be a part of the family. I sure want you to be a part of the family. And guys, I love you so much. Happy New Year. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye. Love you.